Please buy this because this is good for skin.
And this is Selkat. After 7 days whiteness. Okay. Whitening daw siya tayo. Okay. Oh, look at my body. It's going to whiten. Oh, thank you. Goodbye.
And the next contestant is Gigi Rose Kabigis. Wait, she's coming.
Go. This is the biggest dosage. Bili na tayo ng perfume. Mura pa at magmamamot pa. Wait lang. Bumili na kayo. Asan si Kit? Maglalagbarahapon na laptop sa isa ha. Bumili na kayo. Asan si Kit? Okay. Bye.